Alright, let's talk about Stellar, guys. Now, Stellar has been downtrending pretty hard. I'm going to give you guys my analysis and a price prediction. Let's get it. So, Stellar is headed, in my opinion, down to the support zone that's down here, guys. That's priced at the current like 5 cents. It's currently priced at 11 cents now. I think that it's overall going to be heading down that way. Now, there's two approaches that I thought I can do. Is one, I thought about shorting Stellar, but I'm not a really big fan of shorting cryptos, just because the overall direction usually doesn't pan out to my favor. So, when it comes to this crypto here, guys, I usually just wait until the buy hits and then take that, so I can cash buy in also, or just trade it at the same time. But for this, guys, when it comes to Stellar looks like it's going to be heading down low, hitting this zone right here, the support zone. Let me zoom in a little bit more. And basically doing a double bottom. That's what I see happening. Now, it does have a long way. It's like a 50% fall from right now. So people are going to be like dollar cost averaging in, or just doing cash positions. For me, if I was doing neither one of those, I'd just wait out to this zone here, do the double bottom. And if I was going to trade it, I was going to wait basically for this zone here to do basically engage into this zone here, possibly do like a see this wick right here. It might do like a wick and push back down. So if it does stuff like that, my intention is to enter on a buy stop. So if it does any type of wicks down here, and it has like doesn't show perspective. Shows perspective, not the amount that it goes down. But if it goes back down, creates a wick, and closes back into the zone, then I'll look at either entering market or a buy stop a little bit higher than this price to see if I can catch a trend. Because there's a good possibility that it does whip down, take people's stops, knock them out of the trade. Or what it can do is do that right there and then just slow down and then slowly build up, versus the big move up like this, like how it did over here. How it went up right here and then continuously went back up. So it could do something like that. I'm going to plan just for that right here. The whip down, enter on a buy stop or market, and keep on doing multiple positions. So if it does keep building up higher like this, say it starts zigzagging like this, then I can just do multiple buys to catch that trend higher, if Stellar can do that. But that's my plan, guys. My price prediction, if it can do all of this right here and not just break down and just head down lower, will just be this low upper high right here. This would be 22 cents, and that's what I would go for a long-term trade. Or if you want to do a cash position, same thing. But that's my price prediction, guys. This is what you guys' thoughts are below. Tell me what you guys think. But let's get into some more details about Stellar. 11 cents, currently trading up 1.7%. It's on 800,000 people's watch list, ranked number 22, and market cap of 2.8 billion. Now, it's on every platform pretty much, so you guys can trade, cash position, get a part of this cryptocurrency on those. Also, if you're looking for the rating, it got a C+, say September 25th, 2020, and a double B by Stable Outlook, and it's top 87%, so it's still really, really good. Website, guys, stellar.com.org, and hit them up on Twitter, because that's like one of the best places to get information on when it comes to a lot of cryptocurrencies. Hit me up also on Twitter, on Jim Clinton, but let's get to my website. Now, guys, if you guys want to learn more about trading indicators, also when it comes to cryptocurrency and stocks, go there. I'm building up some of the statistics for different countries like Korea, Japan, Mexico. So if you're looking at for different statistical information for like big trends, economic stuff, just head there. I have it all linked, but still building it currently. But if you have any questions or comments, guys, drop them below. Let's have this conversation about Stellar or just other cryptocurrencies. And that's the video. I'll see you.